PointStudio 2020 comes with a complete overhaul of the Verify Registration tool. This tool enables you to quickly and easily assess if scans are correctly registered by analyzing how close they are to one another. Each scan can be checked individually, and this highlights the quality of the registration between it and other overlapping scans, both visually and with a registration quality percentage. In this instance, the scan from location VS2 is shown as having a poor registration quality with the other scans. A closer look shows that it is offset from the rest of the dataset. Not only does this tool highlight poorly registered scans, but can also be used to resolve the issue automatically by appropriately populating and running the global registration tool. After the autofix has been run, the registration quality is reanalyzed, and all scans are now shown to be passing the test. There is also the ability to export a PDF report of the registration verification. This includes further metrics. For more information on this tool or other features being released with PointStudio 2020, please contact your local Maptek office.